In this video, I want to show you how you can remove an object from your video using CapCut Desktop. Now, this is my home screen. I have a video project here already. I'm just going to open it. As you can see, this is a recording I have on a plain background. I want to use this to train my AI avatar. But then this here, I have something here. These are some light switches just behind me that I wouldn't want to show in that video. I want everything to be plain. So I'm using CapCut Desktop, the latest version as at the time of viewing this video. So all that, I think there are a couple of ways you can achieve this, especially if you're dealing with a white background like this. You know, this is quite simple. You can go ahead and hold down Alt button and duplicate this. This area is the place that I need to mask. So I'll just click on the duplicated layer and I'll use this button here, the mirror button. Click on it. Now you can see my video has been mirrored, right? I'm just going to go over to mask and add mask, and I'm going to drag this mask to the area that needs to be removed. You can see I'm dragging it. I can reduce it. You can see, use this mask feathering. So feather it out so that the edges kind of merge properly. Now when I click out, I think it did a very good job. It's clean now. So even if the object was here or here or here, you can use this method to achieve that. Another method 2. So I'm just gonna shift this layer out. I don't want to remove it entirely, but you can see this is back here now. Method 2 is I'll hold down, I'll click on the layer, the main layer itself. I'll come over to the top right corner of my player. All right. Now I change my layout. My layout is in a vertical video mode because that's normally kind of videos I edit for. So I can come to the menu here and go over to layouts, put it on default. Better for 16:9 aspect ratio videos. This is the best for editing. Click on this button here. You'll see export still frames. Remember to allow import to project. So as it's exporting the still frame, it's importing it to your media file. So I'm going to export, and once I'm done, you're seeing that still frame in PNG. So this is just a picture here, right? It's in PNG now. So I've imported it. Expand this PNG still frame now, mirror it, yeah, just the same way I did that, and I add mask. Now drag the mask again to this place. You can see that reduce the size of the mask so that it can fit in. But before I go ahead, I'm going to use this feather to feather out the layer that I'm masking. Maybe increase it a little tiny bit and then take it up there, and then scroll on our video and you can see, I don't know if you can even see it. I can go ahead and do more of the feathering and make it look even more. Now the object there has been hidden. So these are 2 ways you can achieve this. I know there can be other ways. Unfortunately, CapCut currently does not have the options to remove objects using AI. I feel they should do more about it. There's actually a lot that CapCut needs to do, including working on their caption system. So they have a lot of work to do, but then it's I think the most popular video editing software in the world right now. So this is it. As you can see, I've been able to remove that object from my video. I hope this helps somebody out there. If it does help you, remember to like this video, hit that subscribe button, as I make this kind of useful tech videos from time to time, and I drop a lot of YouTube video shorts also, and shorts across all social media handles, tech useful content. So please hit that subscribe button, follow me for more content at Anatitech on all channels. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Share this video to somebody, a creator out there who might need it. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see how the outcome of this my AI avatar creation went, please follow and turn on the notification and you'll see the video. See you on the next one. Now to take care. Peace.